In this video I will show you how you can run Python. Let us first check if Python is installed in your system or not. Press S while holding Windows key in your device, then type cmd, and hit enter. Then type the following, and hit enter. You should get the following output. If not, then first install Python in your system. First method. Create a new file, with extension .py, and save it. Right-click on it, and open it with IDLE. Type the following code in it. Then run it like this. You will get the following output. Another way to run is by cmd. Open cmd and type cd desktop and hit enter, and then type Python and then your file name and hit enter. You will get the output. Second method. Press S while holding Windows key, and type Python, click the following. Type the following code in it, and hit enter. This is how you can run Python in a Python shell. Then open VS Code. Open your Python file. And type the following in it. Hit the run button. This is how you can run Python in VS Code. Now you know how you can run Python in different method. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Comment below if you have any doubt about content in this video.